Okay, so see, today we are going to see this question on trapping rainwater. Basically, it's a hard question, but I'll try to make it easy. Now, see, we are given an array ARR with non-negative integers representing the height of blocks. If see the width of each block is given as 1, so we need to compute how much water can be trapped within the blocks during the rainy season. Okay, cool. See, this is the example which we are going to take. Basically see, supposedly पानी के बूंदे गिर रहे हैं. So in this building, no rainwater can be accumulated. Okay, because see, it will fall from here, right? It will fall from here. What about this building? यहाँ पे इतना पानी भर जाएगा, right? At least this much will be filled because if you can understand that there are two buildings blocked and then in between that building, little bit of space, rainwater will be there and it will be there up to the minimum height of this, right? It can't be till here because if it is till here, then it will overflow and of course it will overflow. So it will be till here, okay? It will be till here. Okay, now see, what about this building? In this building also, if you see, I can just accommodate till here, not till here, right? Because again it will overflow. But in between these two buildings, see, in between these two buildings, you have this much of space. Okay, wait. In this space, water will be there. Okay, in this space, water will be there. And this space is, ये जो है 3. Not here because see here it can fill, but if I fill for this it will again overflow. Okay, coming to the zero ka part, I will be seeing which building is the minimum for me. Okay, so see 3 is minimum for me, so directly 3, and then my rainwater will be trapped here. Okay, and in this case it's 4 and in this case it's 4. Okay, now see, and in this case it's 0, again it will be same, okay, and here again it will overflow. So basically see, in 3 no rainwater will be trapped, okay. In 0, see, in this case if you see, so basically if you see, in case of the 0, I can fill till here. This is my 3 into 1. Okay. Coming to my this case. This is my 1 ka case. So in 1, the building size is already 1 and the left wala building is 3. So basically, if you see, I have a space of 2 left out. So it will be 2 into 1. Okay, 2 into 1. Plus now if you see, again we have the 0. So again it will be filling up till 3. So 3 into 1, right? So 3 into 1, right? Now coming to this part. Will it be filled by anything? This part will it fill anything? Because it's already the tallest building. Okay, it's already the tallest building, and of course there is no barrier building above this so that it can fill up the space. Okay, so I will be taking that as 0. It will be 0 into 4, of course, And also for this one, also for the first one, it will be 3 into 0 because it will be overflowing. Okay, now see for this 0. As you see, the shorter building is 2 here. So it will be 2 into 1 because the width which is given to us is already 1. Okay. Now if I see it is 2, again it will overflow. Okay. So it will be 2 into 0. Again it will overflow. It will be 2 into 0. Okay. Now see, let's calculate. So we have to give the total output. Okay. So 3 into 1 gives us 3. 2 into 1 gives us 2. 3 into 1 gives us 3. 2 into 1 gives us 2. If I calculate this total, it will give me 10. And this is the answer, right? Okay, fine. How should I approach this? Basically, you got to know like what's there, like how can I actually, like basically you've got the idea about how to calculate, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm removing these calculations. And now we will see how can I approach. And I'll make you a little better explanation also if you by any chance got confused. So I'm taking a shorter array, for example this 416. Okay, how will it look like? This is my 4, suppose. Okay, this is my chota sa 1 here, and this is my big 6. As I said, see, always remember, basically for the first building, in any case, most of the time, if it is 6 here, it's possible to accommodate a little bit of water there. But in this case, it's not possible, okay, because the left side is 1. So of course, overflow. So I'm writing overflow. In this case also, overflow. Now for the case of 1. Now for the case of 1, if you see, it will be like having water in here. So what can I do? I know the size is 4 here, okay, and it will fill the minimum only. It will fill the minimum only. So see, the size is 4 here, and already the building size is already 1. So I'll subtract it, and so my size that I can fill the maximum water, it is 3, right? Okay. So basically, I will be checking in every building. I will be checking. For example, for one, I will check left side, and for again one, I will be checking my right side. I will be checking which is minimum, which is minimum. Okay, and then after that, for example, in 4 and 6, the minimum is 4, right? So I will be taking 4. Okay, so now you got it how to see. This is what we will be doing. So basically see, what can you do is, I will be taking min out of my left and out of my right, and also as I said that mostly if my height is given, in that case 1 was given, so I will be subtracting it with my height. This is how we are going to calculate our width basically. Also in this case, we will be taking, for my approach, I am going to take two different arrays. Okay, I am going to make it a little bit easy. So we will be taking two arrays. Okay, two arrays we will be taking. Okay, let me show you two arrays. And this is my left array. This is my left array where I will be keeping the maximum of all the left side. Okay, and this is my right array where I will be keeping the maximum of all the right ones. Okay, supposingly in this case it's 3, so we will be keeping 3 3 3. Okay, like that only we will be just keeping the left side ka maximum, which we will be keeping for 3. For of course for the first case it will be the first only. For 0 also it's 3, for 1 also it's 3, for again 0 also it's 3, and then it keeps on going. And again from the right side it will see its maximum, and here we will be updating it with 4. Okay, so we are just basically taking 2 arrays and then we will be updating it. Okay, you can use that, you can use DP. Okay, but to make it better and easy, let's use this. Okay, coming to this coding part, basically now see, for this part I will take out array.length. Okay, sorry, and now if it is 1 or if it is 0, okay, or if it is 0, then I will be returning 0. Then I will be taking 2 arrays. Let us name it as left max. I will be making 2 functions also along with it. Okay, where I will be passing array, and then similarly let me make right max 2. Okay, then we will be calling these functions right max. Okay, cool. Also we have to take sum, so initially it will be 0. So for int I, from 0 to n my loop will be running. Okay, and now see, sum plus method, sorry, okay, we have to take the minimum of left max comma right max, and we will be subtracting it with an array of 5. Okay, and then we will be returning our sum. Okay, now in this I have to make my left max. Okay, get left max int array int n. Okay, now in n left max new int, because we have to make the size right for, sorry. Okay, now see, left max of 0. Okay, so initially for the first it will be that only, right? For the first one the left will be that only, the one which is at the cornermost, and we will be starting with 1. Okay, and it will be going till n. Left max mat dot max. Okay, left max. Okay, you have to calculate the left max, and now let's return left max. Okay, similarly we have to make our right max. ठीक है, तो get right max. Similarly, okay, similarly we will be making that same, it's exactly same which we are going to do. See, right max. Okay, again new int n right max. Okay, 1 and again for then again calculating our max. Okay, so write max of I. Similarly, okay, mat dot max, write max 3 plus 1 array of I, and let's compile it and see whether this we are having any errors or not. So we are missing a return statement. Okay, I need to return the right one. So let's write that right one too. Okay, so say return right max, and let's see whether it works or not and if there are any errors. So okay, let's submit this code and see, basically I'm using two arrays to keep it, to make my left and right so that I can easily get it. Okay, so yeah, only this case is passed. Thanks for watching this video.